Our executive recruitment service is tailored to headhunt top-tier talent for your senior or technical roles. We have a 100% success rate, meaning zero risk of a bad hire and maximum value for your investment. Once you've identified a role that needs filling, simply reach out to us via our website, email, or by requesting a call. Our process begins with a pre-consult call from one of our senior recruitment consultants. We take the time to understand your needs and tailor our approach to fit your specific goals. During the initial consultation, we dive deep into your company's values, culture, and the specifics of the role. This ensures we find the perfect match. Afterward, our recruitment experts source candidates from multiple channels, putting them through rigorous pre-interview calls, assessments, and physical, virtual, or hybrid interviews. We then provide you with a shortlist of 3 top-tier executives, each evaluated based on experience, skills, and compatibility. And here's the best part. Payment is only finalized once the candidate has joined your company. That way, you only pay for a successful hire. If the hired candidate doesn't complete their probation period, we'll replace them at no additional cost to you. That's our commitment to your success. Beyond recruitment, we offer ongoing support and provide access to hiring guides, industry insights, and more to help you make the best executive hiring decision. We can't wait to help you find the executive talent your organization deserves. To get started, visit our website, send us an email, or give us a call today.